All right, guys, what is going on? We are live. Welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. Kevin, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Oh my goodness. Now I hope we're not starting this up again. Welcome. My name's Adum. This is Unconventional Mindset, which I already said, where we try to figure out how to build a company which is going to be worth $1 million in revenue every single year. I was going to say every single day, but we're not quite there yet. So today I figured we'd go into DaVinci Resolve and we'd try to just complete our first ever short video, and I'm having some issues with DaVinci Resolve. So I'm just firing this up, and that's why I was a couple minutes late here today, because the font size is like super small, and I don't know what the hell is going on. So I'm gonna try to see if I can figure this out. My Windows machine has been acting up a little bit. Don't say anything, the Apple fanboys. But it's really weird in terms of the taskbar kind of getting hidden below certain applications. And now with this, I've had some issues with Stream Deck as well. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but let's go see if we can figure this out. So, because this font size is so small, like you guys probably can't see this. I can't see this. I can't even read this at all. Yeah, Control Plus. No, it's not. It doesn't work for this. Yeah, it's not like it doesn't have that system shortcut or keyboard shortcut. So we got to try to find another way. And I'm trying to just look on forums here to see what the hell's going on. I know this has happened before, but I just reset it and then it would just kind of self-correct itself. But it doesn't seem to be doing that this time. So like I'm squinting here. So general, use Windows Display, optimize, check for updates. Okay, nothing there. But really kind of frustrating that this is happening. I don't know why it's happening. Anyways, I'll just say real quick what I was thinking of doing today and working on, and we can kind of go from there. So basically what I did, or what I'm thinking is to create a couple short videos, and these might be like really short, like super short. So I don't know how good they're going to be, but I basically did 2 screen recordings of shortcut keys for WEBFLOW. The first one I did was about, I gotta pause that because I was recording it and music was playing. So this one here is, just using basically quick find to find things, right? Super useful thing. Of course, probably everyone who uses WEBFLOW knows about it, but just to make a quick short video about using that feature. And let me just go into Word here, and I just created a very quick, like super quick kind of script here, thinking about what we can actually say in the video. Super quick, super easy, straight to the point, and that's it. And then another one about the style selector. So a couple shortcut keys you can use to edit style selections, or edit or access the style selector in WEBFLOW, right? Just hit Control Enter, and then you have your keyboard, and then your cursor goes in, whatever. And then, I have a video of me doing that. So I thought I wanted to put all that together today and put it into, and then we'll get subtitles, all that kind of fancy stuff, and then we'll edit this video. But we just got to get Resolve working nicely here. There's a setting to add other things to the search results, right? I don't know. What do you mean? And the search results for quick find? I don't know. I think the idea of what I'm trying to say is like when you're in WEBFLOW, to just quick find, so you can find, you can add in a div, or you can add a paragraph, or whatever that kind of stuff is, to just basically navigate yourself around the interface within WEBFLOW. But are there other things you could probably add to it? Probably. But now that you're saying that, I don't know what that could be. I just know I need to fix DaVinci Resolve. Let's just try shutting it down and turning it back on again, which is not going to work. Maybe I need to update it. No, that can't be why. Yeah, it's like super small. Ugh. I wonder if it, I wonder if it's a display issue. Like, can I turn this one off? Yeah, this is, well, I don't think that that's going to be an issue. Oh, well, we can't turn the teleprompter off because we're going to need it for when we're filming. What the heck? This is so stupid. This is so stupid. Okay. It's controlled by your OS. So maybe I did something. Oh, geez. Control panel. Not control panel. Maybe settings somewhere. Let's look at font size. Font setting. Okay, no. Text size. Maybe it needs to be a little bit bigger. Oh, I think that's blowing everything up. Okay. Okay, no, that's not it. Now everything's super huge. No, that made, okay. Now, like all my applications are large, and this didn't fix this at all. Okay, hang on. Let me put that back to where it needs to be. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, this is so stupid. So, Kevin, like it's everything. Like it's the font sizes and the icons and the whole, like, it's like the application itself is like super, super small. I don't know what's going on. Sam, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. Please stand by while we try to finish these stupid technical issues or technical difficulty. I mean, what's my resolution at? Yeah, it's 380, and the scale is at 150. That's generally what we want it to be at. Man, I just rebooted my computer as well before starting. Windows key Control M for magnifying settings. Yeah, it's still like, okay. Windows key Control M. Oh yeah, that just brings in the magnifier. Magnifier. Yeah, this is back to the text size. Oh God. Zoom level's not gonna, that's not gonna be it. Why is, oh my God, I can't even see this. It's not gonna be in the project settings. No, this has to do with the project itself. So that's not what we want to do. Oh man, guys, I'm sorry. I should have had this resolved before going live, but hey, it's the nature of creative work sometimes, I guess. I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Font size. Interface. Scaled. Windows. I don't think it's a plugin. I don't have installed any plugins. This is super old. What if I do change the scaling? You shouldn't change this unless you need to. Well, let's just see what happens. I'll put it to 200 until I sign out. Well, what the hell is that going to do? Why am I even signed in? Do I even have an account? Sometimes Microsoft, the most annoying thing. Okay, I'm going to try one thing here. I'm going to get rid of that. Display. Maybe just try something real quick here. Revert back that back. Yeah, it flashed really, really small, the font, which is exactly the issue that I'm having. Brent, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing better than I am. Yeah, late start today. I had a meeting today with a client, and yeah, I didn't want to start my stream earlier in the day and then kind of at the beginning of the afternoon have my client meeting because I didn't want it to interfere with this live stream because I wanted to get all this done in one sit down. But right now, or just fighting with DaVinci Resolve because the font has, I just started it up right before the stream and then the font is like super, everything's just shrunk and I can't see anything. So we can't work like this. Well, we could, but I mean, it's just ridiculous. So just troubleshooting this to see if we can figure out what the hell's going on. I have no idea what's going on. So I'm trying to figure this out. Maybe let's go to Google, because Google search maybe is a little bit better. Damn, hope I can fix it ASAP. I hope so too. Hopefully having good dinner anyways. Maybe some pizza. Pizza's always good. Or some lasagna. I don't know why it's always with Italian food. Maybe some hamburgers, a cheeseburger. Some fish and chips. Okay. DaVinci Resolve 19, small font. On screen. And then I need to fix this. Windows 11. Change the font size of the UI. This is the same problem. Found it thanks to Modu. Who's that guy? Oh, this it? Okay. Using Surface Pro 10, not making movies, blah, blah, blah. Resolve 17 icon, open file location, properties, and compatibility. High DPI setting. Okay, let's try that. Oh, risotto. Nice. Right on. Okay. Where's this properties thing? Is that it? I can't even read anything. Thumbnail view, copy projects, add folder, search. Okay, well, let's go back here. Let's open this. The Resolve icon. And on open file location. Okay, that can't be right. That can't be right. That just brings that up. This is, and even if I open up a past project, yeah, it's showing up super small. Like, I mean, again, I could work like this, but it's so small. Oh, it's really too small. It's got to be under the preferences here, you'd think. Okay, let's look at this one at a time here. System, probably system. Or maybe, I think it'd be user. UI settings, okay. Language, use gray backgrounds, resize image, display viewer, or delay view. Okay, I'll stop playback. Okay, live save, yeah, that's good. Editing, color, control panels, yeah. Okay, let's go back to this UI settings. UI display scale, here we go. Maybe this is it. Save that. Okay, maybe that was it. Let's see. Oh, this looks better. This looks better. This looks normal. Okay. All right. Can you guys see that better? Hopefully you can see that better. You can actually see the names of like the buttons and stuff. Okay, that was cool. So what was that? Preferences, user, UI settings, and UI display scale. Should I make it even bigger? I wonder. I think 200 might be too big, but maybe that'd be easier for you guys to see. Let's try that one. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, this might not. Now it's like taking up a full page. So okay, this might be too big, but oh wow. Yeah, we don't have much space. Where's our edit tab? And we can't. Yeah, this might be too much space. Anyways, we'll keep going. This side, at least you guys could probably see this better. Leo, how's it going? Welcome. All right, so I don't know what happened there, but something happened. But it doesn't matter. We're done. Okay, let's move on now. Let's bring in our assets, our two assets that we have. Put them in the bin. Okay. Oh, hang on a second. Frame rates, right? Don't change the frame rates. Let's go into our project settings here, and we actually need to make a timeline, right? So we need two timelines, right? One widescreen and one like horizontal or portrait. So let's just make the standard YouTube one first. So let's do that. What are we doing? Project settings. Whoops. Project settings. 24 frames per second. Yeah, I guess we'll just stick with that since that actually, no, we should do 23.973 because that's what our camera is set at right now. And let's save that. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. And Leo, I was in a stream of yours and YouTube made it look like you were live, but you were not. That's weird. That's interesting. I know when someone is live on YouTube, around their icon, it shows like a red thing with a live thing. So, yeah, I wonder. So you're building a new code editor again. It's much better than my first one. So like you finished building one and now you're building like a second one? Are you just like taking what you've learned from the first one and making something that's completely new? It's dedication, man. Dedication to building a code editor. That's for sure. Okay. A little bit conflicted on where we should start here. I think we need to get more content. So I think we're going to go here, and I'm going to load this up. I don't even know if I should use the teleprompter. I'll put it in the teleprompter. Oh, shit. Okay, I got that plugged in. And so we'll record our actual A-roll here. So this is the Elgato Camera Hub, which is actually a really great tool here, guys. Okay. So we can load in some scripts. See this thing too, I don't know if you noticed this, guys, but the font on this one is also scaled down. So I don't know if something happened in my whole Windows thing that changes the scale of all my apps. Like it's super small. How do I, and this one, does the control, like none of that stuff works either. There's something to do with Windows and like totally scaling all my apps or rescaling my apps. This is super frustrating. Anyways, we're not gonna worry about that right now. I don't wanna waste too much of your time here. So let's go. Okay, this is the last video that I was working on, so let's just delete all this stuff. I think there's a shortcut key to delete. Delete chapter, or shift delete. So shift delete. Okay, keep deleting that. So this might be like way too simple for a YouTube short. I feel like there's probably, I could use some more, but let's see. I mean, what do I say? In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. Press Control-E or Command-E on a Mac on your keyboard to bring up Quick Find and start typing what you're looking for. Select the item and then press Enter. Find anything, build it fast. Build it fast. Now go make something awesome. So I'm just thinking of kind of like something to sign off on at the end of every short video. So is that too short? It's to the point, right? Like how do you do something? So, I don't know. I guess we'll see. Okay. So what I can do, so I could load this up in the teleprompter. I mean, this is pretty easy to remember, but at least I can kind of see it here. And I could change the font size. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see what it's actually going on the actual teleprompter, but and if I press play, I can see how fast it's going. Yeah, that's not bad. That's fine for, I think, what I need for this. Okay. So we have that. Actually, while I'm here, let's just throw in the next script for the next video. Because maybe we can work on two at the same time. So Leo, touch some grass because it takes hours. Timer's H to this point. I'm not sure what that means. Timer's H. Is there some? Yeah, I'm not sure what that means. But touching some grass, yeah, it takes longer. Yeah, sorry, I'm just not quite sure what that means. All right. Like, are you talking about what I'm doing? Or are you talking about your code editor? Not sure. Okay. So I'm going to record this. I'm actually going to record it straight on the camera, and we're not going to record this through OBS. But I wonder, we can take a quick look at this quick find. So let's bring this into the timeline. This is like really big here. The font. I need a larger monitor. Okay, so how do I zoom in? Because I want to zoom in on this. There's a way to zoom in. Where is that? Oh, here's the scale. Okay. Okay. So yeah, in this quick little screen grab that I had, I think I just press, I press Control E. I just type in div. The div pops up. Press it again. Get text block. Text shows up. Type it again. Link. It shows up. And I think what I wanted to do as well is say something about like everything that you can find in like the element. What is this plus button in WEBFLOW? What is that called? Maybe I think I need to put that in there somewhere. Hang on, let me bring up WEBFLOW here for a sec. Right, so the add element. So what can we say about that? We can add something. Let's add one of these. Bring it up here. You can almost say something like everything that is accessible in the side menu, the side menus are available using Quick Find. Maybe something as simple as that. That might work well. Okay. So touch some grass because it takes 10 hours to reach this point as a sing-off. I'm not sure what a sing-off is, but I guess because it took you 10 hours just to get to this point where you had to start like making a new code editor. I never heard that saying before. So sorry. Maybe I'm just off and I don't understand the lingo. Sorry about that. Okay. So next, but also component names, and you can go to other elements based on class names. Yeah, you definitely can. So what's the way of saying that then? Like, how do we condense that information in like one easy to understand like statement or sentence really? We could say something from pages to components, from pages to components and elements. You just like you. I could even like you can find almost anything through Quick Find. Are you still editing the video? Oh, I think you're talking about that other video. No. Okay, that video that's live already. That was live. That went live last week. So we're way past that video. That one's done. This is another video, a new video that we're making. And we're going to make this what I kind of want to do today is just make the whole video from start to finish during this live stream. That's kind of what I want to do today. So because what we're going to be doing, I think you missed this yesterday, or was it Friday? I can't remember when I talked about this, but we're going to try to focus on, for the channel, making more short form videos that are direct and to the point and kind of teach not even teach, but just even illustrate like one very simple, quick tip or trick in WEBFLOW or whatever. So that's kind of what we're doing. Yeah. So from pages to components and elements, you can find almost anything through Quick Find. All right. Where is the video? The video is on Pixel's YouTube channel, which I think we need to go to youtube.com/pixelmedia. Yeah. youtube.com/@pixelmedia with 2 eyes. Maybe can I post this in the chat? Am I allowed to chat? Maybe I'm allowed to post this in there. So there, yeah, there, that's in the chat there. So that, yeah, that's the video. 12 views. So we need to get more views, but that's okay. 12 views is better than 0. It's infinitely more views than 0. Or maybe it's 12 more views than 0, depending on how you look at it. Okay. So this is not bad for our first script, I don't think. So let's try this and let's film this. And what I'm going to do, I got to play or press record on my camera. And it doesn't like me. It's making some crazy noise. What's going on here? Okay, there it goes. Okay, so that's recording. So what I'm going to do like this is I'm going to try to frame myself here a little bit. I'm probably going to take this off. Now this is weird. I can't hear myself, but that's okay. All right. So... all right, so I got this up in my teleprompter. All right, now we got to film this. Now hopefully it doesn't take me like 1,000 edits. I can't hear myself too. This is actually kind of really weird. Leo saying, nice logo. I would just like it if the thumbnail of your video reflects the style of the banner and the logo. Look at the. So I did make actually 3 different thumbnails for that video, and I selected YouTube to just, I guess it would just show it at random and decide using whatever AI or whatever it does on which thumbnail is the best out of the 3 that I created. But yeah, there isn't, I could do better at doing better with the branding and the cohesion for sure, 100%. So yeah. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this video. And I don't even want to do any kind of introductions or anything. Again, this might change, but I'm just thinking again, a super, very, very quick 20-second video here. Okay. All right, let's film this. All right, we'll say, in WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages using Quick Find. Oh, okay, so I didn't like that. I'm gonna have to do that one again. And this is how I do videos too. Sometimes it's like, I didn't like how I said something. Do it again. And do it again multiple times. Okay. So it's a little bit weird too. I'm doing this on a live stream, but this camera's also recording. But hey, it's the first time for everything. I'm new to this too. Okay, if it's not that good the first time, you know, we'll get better as we go along here. God. Okay. All right. Enough mucking around. Here we go. All right. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. Press Control-E or Command-E on your keyboard. No, hang on. I should say something different. I don't even know. Oh, what should I even say? Should I even say that? I don't know if I like that. Anyways, I like the first part. Let's get on here with the next part. Because maybe the Command-E, I could just do that in the, like subtitles or whatever. Okay. Press Control-E on your keyboard to bring up Quick Find. Okay. What's the shortcut key for restarting here? Press Control-E on your keyboard to bring up Quick Find. Start typing what you're looking for. Select the item and press Enter. Maybe it's even just press Enter. Might even be better. Press Control-E on your keyboard to bring up Quick Find. Start typing what you're looking for and press Enter. Oh my goodness, I'm actually duplicating some of the text that I made before. Shoot, that doesn't make sense now. Sorry, I'm just looking at the script here. So we kind of have two, like the first part of this, I'm saying WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements and components and assets. And then I said it from pages to components, you can find almost anything. So that sentence doesn't make the most sense now that I'm looking at it. Leo, just say the basics and put the keys in the top right of the video. Yeah, we'll do that. Thanks. Okay. I feel like I could do this whole thing in one take. I don't need to make multiple takes, I don't think, or multiple cuts. Yeah, okay. You know what? We're going to take this one out completely. I think, what is it? Shift, delete? I got to remember my shortcut keys. All right. Yeah, we'll try that. Leo. In pink to reflect the style of the channel logo and banner for branding. Yeah, you're saying in terms of the colors. Yeah. I know. Please don't be too hard on me on the branding of the channel. It's it needs to come together. That's for sure. So noted. I'll see what I can do. Okay, let's go back here. Let me go back here. Okay. All right. Let's see what we can do. All right. Here we go. Another round. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, oh God. Restart that one. Pause. Another drink of water. It's amazing when you're recording something how, well, I guess when you're live, you just talk and you say what you say and then that's it. But when you're recording, I don't know, for whatever reason, it ends up being like you forget how to talk. It's crazy. Leo, highlight things on your screen with the pink and don't just hover over it with the mouse. Oh, I guess you're talking about the video that I already did, or even in this one. I guess we can see what we can do for this one to see how we can change. Yeah, to bring it more prominent and what have you. Yeah, epic voice crack. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, well, okay. Once we get into actually editing the video, then we'll work on that stuff. Okay, and then you could let me know what you think. Once we're there. Okay. It doesn't help too that I still have this cold thing that's like still lingering around. All right. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. Press Ctrl E on your keyboard to bring up Quick Find and start typing what you're looking for. Select the item and press Enter. That's it. I don't want to say that's it. Don't want to say that. Hang on a second. Let's see. Okay. Sorry, I just made some quick updates and let's go. Okay. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Ctrl E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. Find anything, build fast. Now go make something awesome. I don't know. How was that? That's super fast. What was that, like 10 seconds? Not even? Yeah. All right, let's try one more time. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Ctrl E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. Find anything, build fast. Now go make something awesome. There, that was better. That was better. A little more, I don't know, engagement or whatever. Okay, so it's good if it's fast. So it's always fast. Okay, let's stop that recording. And actually, I need to grab the memory card here. Let's see what I can do. Okay, here we go. Where's my memory card reader? And, oh, mine zoomed in. Oh, hang on. I messed up my zoom. Or my focus, I should say. There we go. Okay. Memory card reader. Right. My wife stole my USB-C cord. I think this one will work. Okay. All right. Yeah, focus is good. Awesome. So let's go into, let's see what we got. The disk isn't showing up. Ah, there it is. Okay, USB drive. Clip. So it's probably the latest clip, which is this one. So, man, 6.6 gigs just for that, eh? All right, let's throw it in. Oh, shit. No, we have to do it again. I didn't record the audio. Damn it. Yeah, no, I don't have audio. I had this mic on, but I didn't record. So I have the audio on the... No, well, I'll just do it again. We're going to have to do it again. So let's just eject this guy. Currently in use. Yes, it is in use because I just dragged it into here without even moving it somewhere else. Stupid me. Sorry. I guess I'm just trying to maybe work a little bit too fast because we're on stream here, so I'm forgetting things. Try again. Where is it open? I don't know where else this is open. Let's close this maybe. Try again. Oh, it's still saying it's open somewhere. I don't know where. Maybe give it a second. There we go. Okay, so I gotta put this card back in. Okay, so that's recording. Now I got my Rodecaster recording. So we got our audio recording. We got the teleprompter back up. Okay, and sound's coming through. Should be okay. Quick sip of water. Okay. All right. Here we go. Actually, let's do a little clap to sync the audio. Should be fine, but yeah, because that one's really low, but should be okay. All right. Okay. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Ctrl-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. Find anything, build fast. Now go make something awesome. Try one more time. Push this back up to the top. All right, maybe bring this a little bit closer. I don't know. I don't like having mics. I think I need a boom mic. I don't like having this. It's great for live stream, but I don't think I like it for videos. I should get a boom mic. Anyways. Tristan, can you stop typing for like 30 seconds? Okay, just when I finish this thing, then you can start up again. All right, thanks. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by pages. Goodness. Okay, again. Okay, sorry, I gotta start the thing. Okay. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. Sorry, didn't like that either. All right. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Ctrl-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. Find anything, build fast. Now go make something awesome. There we go. That was a little bit better. What would you do if you had 10K viewers from one stream to another? I don't know. I would do the same thing. Everything would be the same, I think. I just might be a little bit better at it. Okay. I think we're done, right? Okay, so stop that recording. Okay, we're good, Tristan. Thanks, bud. Stop this one. Okay. Okay, we got everything. So one thing here, this is gonna, actually it's probably gonna cut out the audio. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut off the audio for a minute because I need to cut off the audio in order to transfer the recording from the Rodecaster to, well, just to the PC basically, right? So, let's see. I don't even know where to put things in. So here's those guys, and I think we need to. Let's see, marketing, shorts. We're just gonna put this just real quick. Video 1, just for now. Something super simple. Video 1, and throw this in there. I just hope you do not forget your 4 loyal followers. I am not going to forget you guys ever because you guys are amazing. And I've said it so many times. I just appreciate you guys showing up here. So don't worry. Never forget you guys. So grateful that you're here. But yeah, 10,000. I can't imagine like 10,000 people watching. That's crazy. That would be like such a successful stream. So for me, what's my favorite stream? To be honest, I don't know. I don't think I have a favorite, to be honest. I think there's just things that, because the way that I use YouTube is primarily to find information. And, you know, like I'll watch things where it's, how do I do this? How do I do that? And sometimes it's on a live stream, or other times it's just in a YouTube video. So that's generally kind of how I use YouTube to consume content. And I don't watch a lot of, I guess the videos that I would watch that are more for entertainment purposes are people that do cool art stuff, Maybe every once in a while, especially with the kids. I know my kids like watching fail videos and watching that kind of stuff. But yeah, NHL, like sports highlights, all that kind of stuff. Some stuff on politics just to see what's going on here locally in Canada. So I'll watch that kind of stuff. But nobody jumps at me right now as like, hey, this is the streamer that I watch. Maybe it's just me and my older generation of, I'll do the stream, but I guess I don't really like watch the streams, I guess. Right. Okay. Let's do this. So Leo's saying, if you had 50 viewers per stream, you are in the top 0.1% of Twitch. Yeah, I have no idea. I don't know what the numbers are for Twitch, to be honest. So, but that's crazy. 50 viewers. That's a lot. That's also like a lot of people watching. I mean, there's like, even right now it's jumping between 3 and well, it says 4 now, and it's like 5. So that's a lot. That's really cool. So that's a lot to me. So I'm good. That's really great. Okay. So I'm going to shut off the audio now, and I should be back not like in a couple seconds, not very long here. Let's see. Settings. Advanced. USD. Okay, I should be back. Yeah, it looks like I'm back. You guys can hear me? I think you can. Okay, so that's done. So we have our clips now. We can get rid of this thing. I'll just minimize that. Let's bring up DaVinci Resolve again, and let's get editing. Leo, if you're watching, prove it with a like. I appreciate that. Thanks. That's right too. I think you were the one that was telling me that I never asked for a like, and I think I have like once before. Yeah, okay. Or like for me, I'm like, only like it if you actually like it. Okay, so let's just pop these guys in here. All right, so we have our video, and then, oh yeah, that was the video, and this is the audio, which is not coming in. What's going on? There we go. So we want to make sure that these are sunk. So select both of them, right click, auto align clips, align by waveform. Let's sync them together. Perfect. That's why I kind of do that clap. Again, it's like the clap in a movie production or whatever, because you can see it right here. There's a big spike, and then you just you can line them up. But the mic on this camera is turned so low that it hardly picks up anything. But it picks up enough for the software to be able to link them together, which is good. Okay. I wouldn't be watching if I didn't like it. Yeah, that's a good point too. That is a good point. Okay. I don't know. I would do the same thing. Okay. So now we have this on record of what I would say, what I would do if I am at 10,000 subs, and then I'm going up 10,000 subs and I'm doing something completely different. Then you could be like, hey, remember that video? I saw you. I saw what you said. In WEBFLOW, you can. All right. So basically, here's our first cut. Whoops. Come on. Why are you not cutting where you're supposed to? This is really weird. Oh, this is already cut. That's why. Okay. Cut there. Find anything, build fast. Now go make something awesome. All right, I did it twice. I think I like this one better. What would you do if you had 10 keyboards? No, no. Okay. You done? Yeah. All right. Can you just close the door on your way out? Thanks. It's that easy. Find anything, build fast. Now go make something awesome. Okay. So let's just listen to the couple takes just to see what we got. I'm going to go and I'm going to give Pixel 3 new subscribers. No, it's okay. You don't need to like artificially inflate the numbers by having different accounts create new subscribers. That's okay. The numbers, like I would rather, because I know too, when people see a YouTube channel, it's almost better to have more views on a video than you have number of subscribers, because it kind of shows that people are watching it as opposed to just getting a subscriber count up. Like, you know, those subscribers that have 10 million subscribers, but they have like 2 views on their video. It's like, okay, like who's buying subs? So no need to do that. I again, sincerely, definitely appreciate it and appreciate the effort, but it's okay. We'll get to the subscribers soon enough. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by pages. Goodness. Okay. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. Sorry, didn't like that either. No, looks like did I only do one? Okay. Delete that, delete that. Let's listen. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Ctrl-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. Find anything, build fast. Now go make something awesome. Okay, there we go. I like that. That's quick, to the point. Let's go, what do I want to do here? I want to unlink this for a second, delete this, push this up, and then go back and link these clips together. Okay. Bring you, oh, whoops. Right, okay, so now, where are we? So now we got to go in here and figure out how we're going to just lay this whole Quick Find screenshot and how we're going to make it, basically make it look good. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have a couple things right here. Oops. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Ctrl-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. So I feel like it should be like basically this long. So if I go here, let's see. Let's bring the controls up. And what if we change the speed? Is that going to be too fast? Let's see. Navigate pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Ctrl-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. Find anything, build fast. Now go make something awesome. Using Quick Find, press Ctrl-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. Find anything looking for. There's a big section right here, actually. Press Enter. It's that. Yeah, I wasn't doing anything on the keyboard. What the hell? Why can't I cut this? There we go. Delete that. Bring this together. And start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press enter. It's that easy. Okay, let's change the speed here. Bring up, where are the controls for this one? I need to, where's the curve? I need to manually adjust the speed here. So, oh, that's no, I want it to be maybe 350, and let's bring it up here. Is there a shortcut key for that? I don't know. 350. Press enter. It's that easy. To bring up Quick Find, press Control E on your keyboard. Quick Find. Now, and to bring. Okay, I need it to be about this long. So let's. Why am I moving this one and it's changing this one? That's weird. That is really weird. What the hell? Okay, X out of that one. X out of that one. Let's see. Real-time curve again. Maybe let's try 300%. And this one here, real-time curve, 300%. Okay. Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Control E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press enter. It's that easy. Find anything. Okay, something like that. Okay. You have 12 views on your new YouTube video, or on your new video. That's much better than my first video. It has 60 views now, but 2 or so years ago, it was not that much. Yeah, I guess it takes time for you to develop some views, I guess. And I think too, that's just the thing. It's when you're starting out, I don't know if YouTube doesn't know who to push your stuff out to. So I think after we start publishing a few more videos, maybe it'll know more of the type of person to put it out to, but we'll see. Or Command D for a Mac. Yeah, well, the thing is Mac people are pretty crazy. So I don't know how much we want to talk to those guys. No, yeah, no, I thought about that, of saying that, but I think what we're going to do instead is we're just going to put it up on the display where I say Control E and then it'll be like / Control or whatever it is, Command E for the Mac people. So we'll do the two things there on screen. Cause I just wanted to use less words as possible. I don't know, but, yeah. So yeah. Oh, you're just saying here. Yeah. Maybe show the shortcut key on screen as well. Yeah. 100%. 100%. Leo's saying hello. Okay. How you doing? Yeah. Glad to hear. Blah, blah, blah. Cool. Do you program or do you build websites with WordPress or so? Me, if you're asking, I think you're asking that to me. So I used to, back when I was doing freelance and I had my stuff that I was doing, I think from between 2000 and I want to say 2006, 2007, up until 2015, 2016, when I was still making websites for clients here and there, it was all WordPress. So yeah, so I have like almost 10 years of building in WordPress. So, but about 2015, 2016 was probably the last website that I built in WordPress. So yeah. YouTube checks who clicks it and who it's made for. Yeah, you'd think that YouTube would know how to do that. So Brent, I built. Oh, maybe you're asking. Maybe you're not. Maybe you're asking Brent. I don't know. Sorry, guys. Maybe I just get out of the conversation. Brent saying I build sites using WEBFLOW and do graphic design as well. That's what you, yeah. I think he was asking me. Yeah, sorry, you see that right now. Yeah, sorry. All right, I'll shut up now. You guys go do your thing. Right. I'm out of my element. I'm too busy trying to focus on getting this thing done. Okay. In WEBFLOW, you can easily add elements, components, assets, and navigate. I do have another question. You know how or a question. You know how in YouTube Shorts, there's or just any shorts really, there's the text where it's going to kind of show up, which is the basically like the closed caption. So we're going to have that in the shorts, but should we have that here in this version? And I feel like no, because I think what we can do is we can upload the actual script to YouTube and we can have that as the caption so that people could turn the captions on or off. But on the shorts, I think people just put the captions in like just because. Why? I don't know. Maybe if people are scrolling on their phone without the sound on or whatever the case may be, right? So I think that's the reason for that. So I think we'll leave it off on this version. But then when we do our next timeline and we're going to have the actual captions, then we'll put it on there. Okay. So let's go. Quick find, press Control E. Okay, we have a thing here. Oh, that's kind of annoying. It's yeah, okay, I'm just trying to think of how we're gonna make this. And okay, before we do the captions, let's look at the actual like the look of the screen. Like I feel like, you know, we got to zoom in here, right? Like how do we do this? How should this look? Because if we zoom in though, then you're not going to see the whole WEBFLOW interface. Right? And is that important to give people that context for what they're looking for? Like, is this enough? I feel like this is going to be a lot harder when we're in like the YouTube short one or the one Instagram, whatever. Because this one, it also shows the stuff like popping up, right? Like in here, it's like populating it. Because we can obviously, we can zoom it in, we can zoom it out, we can do whatever we want, but what should we do? Okay, let's listen. Hang on. Quick find. To bring up quick find, press Control E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. So right here, okay. To bring up quick find, press Control E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it. So I feel like this whole section. Quick find, press Control E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. I think that whole section where I say press Control E on your keyboard and start typing in what you're looking for. I think that should only go on once. So I think what we can do, okay, I have an idea. Well, not an idea, but let's take this again. Okay. Sorry, let's mute this for a second. Okay. So we start this to open up quick find, press Control E. So we press Control E here. Then that pops up. And then I think press Control E. And then I'm basically saying then start typing what you're looking for, right? But, whoops, what I should do here is I should zoom in. Position Y, zoom into here, right? Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I like this. So yeah. Do we like a jump zoom, or should we like zoom it in like a nice scroll animation? Sorry, I was going to check the chat here just to see if there's any advice for me about coding. WEBFLOW problem solving. Yeah, guys talking about coding and stuff. So I love coding too. That's how I learned. I taught myself how to make websites using literally like HTML and CSS and using Notepad, and well, like maybe Notepad++ or something like that. So it is fun, but using WEBFLOW, you're still problem solving. So I would say just because you're using WEBFLOW doesn't mean you're not learning how to do, like, to solve problems and how to solve web problems. It's just in a different way. Okay, let's just do a jump cut for now because we don't want to. Yeah, okay. So let's look at navigate pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Find. To bring up Quick Find pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Control-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. Find anything, build fast. Okay. To bring up Quick Find, press Control-E on your keyboard and start typing. To bring up Quick Find, press Control-E on your keyboard. Press Control-E on your keyboard and start. Okay, so right here is where I want the typing to start. Oop. Press Control. Oh, let's hide that. Control-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. And start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. Using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press. I wonder if I. Using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Control-E on your keyboard and start. No. Find. I think we could actually probably extend it like this. I don't think anybody would notice. To bring up Quick Find, press Control-E on your keyboard and start typing. Oh, no, that wouldn't work at all. Where's the second I start? Right here. Okay. You go down this way, probably go up this way. There we go. Using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Control-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Yeah. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. There we go. I like it. Okay. Looking for. Select it. Enter. Start typing what you're looking for. Select it. Select it. Press Enter. Okay. And then I think from here, now we could go back to our speed. We could probably bump this next one up a bit and press Enter. It's that easy. Find anything and press Enter. It's that easy. Press Control-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. It's that easy. Because then we show two things, basically searching. And navigate pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Control-E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press Enter. I feel like I should zoom in faster. Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press. I gotta use my speed editor. Where do I have that? Oh, it's over there. I don't know if you guys have seen this. There's DaVinci Resolve has this speed editor that has like a really cool wheel that you can use to like trim your like your videos and your clips. I haven't gotten quite the hang of it, but it's kind of smoother than using like the keyboard and mouse. Because I'm just having issues here with this stupid thing not being able to select what I want it to. There it goes. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's lower that a bit. Pages by using Quick Find. To bring up Quick Find, press Control Quick Find. No, I need to find. No, maybe about here. To bring up Quick Find, press Control E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Yeah, I feel like let's go maybe about here. Okay, come on. Or maybe what I can do is... Oh, it's not giving me my proper controls. What is going on? I wonder if it has to do with the zoom that I've zoomed in a little bit. It's not... Because generally when you hover over top of something, yeah, you get this kind of, this rolling effect here. Let's see. Control E on your keyboard and start typing what you're looking for. Select it and press enter. It's that easy. Find anything, build. Yeah. Okay, that's good. All right. Anyways, oh, now back to Odum. Well, it's on it. So, a bit of my own code in it for a while. Yeah. Okay, to bring up Quick Find, press Control E on your keyboard. Is what I might keep hearing all night. Oh, yeah, probably. Press Control E on your keyboard, and that will get you what you need. What's your goal with this channel and the Pixel channel? That's a good question. So, my goal. I mean, let's bring it in here. We'll just do a quick aside here for like a minute. My goal with this channel is, I mean, I'm thinking I'm going to keep calling it, I call this like the unconventional mindset, which is the whole idea of thinking outside the box and doing things in your life and for your life that are kind of against what traditionally people are kind of told to do. You know, go to school, get your education, get a job, work, you know, whatever, right? So there's other videos and other things that I want to do and talk about that are part of what I think are kind of core principles and core values of what it means to build yourself a life that is, according to you, successful, fills you with purpose, a sense of pride and accomplishment, and happiness, all that kind of stuff. And I want to talk more about that kind of stuff. And being financially independent is a part of that. And that's what I'm focusing on right now, because I'm trying to build myself financial independence through these businesses, or well, through this business of Pixel. And that's kind of the focus of my videos. But in the future, you know, once that's done, I want to move into other things. And I've talked about this before, is I think health and fitness is another very important pillar of living a good life. And I know for now, like if you look at my other channels way back, I've been talking about health and fitness, losing weight, gaining weight, all this kind of stuff, just a whole cycle thing. So I want to like once and for all kind of solve that part of my life as well too, and make that as part of my life going forward. And there's other things as well too that I think is what it means to live a good life. And I think it's things that are not necessarily, I don't think they're taught very much, if at all, in modern education, in school, in the media, or whatever, which is why I call it unconventional mindset, to just think differently than what we're traditionally told to think that is good or whatever. So that's this channel with this live stream. But Pixel's channel, that is strictly business channel and strictly oriented to building a community of people that are interested in using WEBFLOW to build websites and to start their own company and to just grow their business using WEBFLOW. And I probably would go beyond WEBFLOW, but for now, we're just going to be focusing on WEBFLOW. So that's my my spiel, I guess, between the two channels. Do I need a Pixel logo? I can design one for $0. So, I mean, I do have my logo that I made real quick, which is just the word mark. And I've actually, I have hired someone to help me out with a logo. And I've actually commissioned my daughter to help me draw out a logo for Pixel. So that's kind of in the works and in development. So I do really, really appreciate the offer. But I kind of already gave the job the job to my daughter. So, so it's nice. But yeah, I really do appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you very much. And the Pixel logo is not too bad. It's a word mark. I don't know. It is what it is. It took me 30 minutes to do so. So there you go with that. All right. Now let's press Control E, right guys? Control E. To bring up Quick Find, press Control E. Sorry, I just had to play that. Just for Brent. Okay. What are we doing now? What are we doing now? Okay, I think, what do we need? Well, we need to do the, oh my, we need to do the Control E stuff. We need to bring that on screen. And yeah, let's make those graphics right now. Yeah, I think so, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Let's work on that right now. Quick Find, press Control. Okay, here it is. So, all right. Right, this is much different than like building something in like Photoshop or whatever. So what are we gonna need first? I guess we'll need a title. Oh, come on, drag. That should just drag. What's going on? Okay, you're not working. Weird. Yeah, so all my cursors are they're behaving very, like, weirdly. Is that even a word? It is. What's going on? Let's save this before anything crashes. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take these preferences down, and I'm going to go back here. I'm just going to put this at 150. And I'm going to restart this program. Not that it's crashed or anything, but just to, I feel like there might be some issues with how big that, like that scaling was. So let's try that and see what happens. What time is it? Oh my goodness, it's 4:42. I might have shot myself in the foot with how long things took to get started. Because I forgot today's Tuesday and today's circus day. Okay, is this starting? Did I press it? Let's go. What's going on? Oh, look at these panels. They're so cool. It just makes me want to buy all their stuff because it just looks amazing. Although that's audio stuff, I'm not a big fan of that stuff because I don't know. I guess I'm just not. Okay. Oh my goodness, now this looks like really small, but I think this is okay. Okay. Oh, what's circus day? Oh, it's just the day that my daughter goes to circus. She does circus. So she goes to class a couple hours every week. And it's I guess on Tuesdays. So yeah, it's like actual circus. Like, not, I think we talked about this before, not circus like like clowns and bears and lions jumping through hoops of fire, but like just like Cirque du Soleil, like they learn how to do the silks and the trampolines and all that kind of stuff. Okay, where were we talking about? Oh, right. So we got to make some titles. So, it's still not working. What the hell? Oh shit! I'm an idiot. I gotta actually select the title from here. What type of title I want? Okay, my bad. Jeez. I think I've never done this before. Okay, so Control plus E. What is it again, Brent? Control E? I think that's what it is. We don't have to hear it again. All right. Or actually, I think what we'll do, we'll just do one here. And how should we design this? Let's make it, I think we'll make things pretty similar. I like the dark, like the black background with the yellow text. So I think we'll do that. So we'll give it a background of black. Why can't we see it? Because it doesn't have a height. Okay. Ooh, what do we got to do? Something like this. This is weird. Can't you just put... It's really weird with this background, how you have to give it a width and a height, but shouldn't it just be dynamic based on the size of the text? Yeah, I want it to be dynamic. So that way when I'm going to copy this and duplicate it, it's going to be the same. So you can't add like paddings like you could in, like WebFlow or Photoshop or whatever. Outline width. Okay, we don't want outline. We want background, right? Oh, that's weird. And we don't want, if we give it, well, this is just 0.9. That's, How could we make the background? Then you could change the corner radius, which is kind of cool. There's got to be a way. There's got to be a way to make this dynamic, no? Maybe we can do it with like an expression. Oh, this is getting beyond. Oh, this is gone here. There's no express. We can't do any expressions with that. Or can we? No, it doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. What's Circus Day? Okay, impressive. Yeah, I don't know, not enough for me. I'm definitely not doing that stuff. Did you see the new AGT contestants? It's terrible. AGT. What's AGT? Oh, America's Got Talent. They put YouTubers on America's Got Talent. Like in what context? Yeah, I don't watch that show. So I don't know. The only things I've seen is various clips of people like singing. And because I like, I'm liking a song and then I put it in and then it's like you see these America's Got Talents of people singing songs, but I don't watch the show. So I don't know. But that's weird. YouTuber, I mean, is it talent? I mean, it is. There's lots of different things you need to do to be a successful YouTuber, but yeah, it's interesting. Sam, been hustling GSAP in the background, about to go nuts. Signing off now, so it's not working? Oh, I hate that when you're coding on something and something that probably should be easier, that you should get it to work, that you haven't been able to get it going. It's too bad. Well, yeah, maybe, sleep on it and then you'll get back at tomorrow and I'm sure you'll solve it because you're a smart guy. You know what's going on. So you'll figure it out. But anyways, thanks for logging in and we'll see you next time. But yeah, what is this? So this is really annoying about this background. There's got to be a way. This doesn't make any sense to me. But no, being a YouTuber is not a talent for America's Got Talent. Okay, fair enough. Again, I honestly don't know enough about the show to be able to see or to say whether they should be on it or not, because I don't even know what they do except for the singing stuff. But I don't have cable. I never have cable, so I never watch TV. So I don't watch any TV shows. I shouldn't say that. I do watch TV shows, but it's usually after they're done and I could just download them. Did I say download? I don't download stuff. That would be illegal. I obtain copies of TV shows once they are available on Blu-ray, and I go out to the Blu-ray store and I purchase them for money because people that create things deserve to be rewarded for their efforts. Yeah. It was bad. Whoopsie. Oh, man. You don't have a TV. Yeah, see, the thing is you don't even need to have a TV now because it's all on computer anyways. So, what's the point of having a TV? I mean, other than having a really large monitor. Sorry, this is going to be like a meme of the channel at some point of monitor sizes, and I keep mentioning that. Listen, just talking about monitors here, okay? That's all we're talking about. But yeah, I can see, especially, like I said, I have kids, I got a family or whatever, it's nice for us to sit down in the family room and watch, Shrek or whatever, whatever kids watch. And I'm actually still lucky too, because my kids still like watching stupid shows like that. And Star Trek, which is not the stupid show. Star Trek's awesome. Okay. So I don't think we're going to figure this out today for being able to change the size of like the width of whatever it is you're typing in. So we're going to have to do it manually. So control and then plus. And settings, right? We're gonna have to change its position on the x-axis. Oh, that's the zoom, the position. And then control plus E, right? Okay. This is much harder to do when you're doing it like when you're doing it in Resolve. I wonder if there's a way to do this where I can animate it in Fusion. And Fusion is just basically the After Effects that's built in to, sorry, that's the color tab. Where's Fusion? Yeah, this magic wand thing. This is basically the After Effects of DaVinci Resolve, but it's built into the actual program. So like if you're in the Adobe ecosystem, which you should get out of, but if you're in there, you have like Premiere, and then you have like After Effects, and of course Photoshop and all that kind of stuff. But this is really good. And I guess maybe the camera will be Adobe Audition for music. And within Adobe Premiere, I think there is a what is it called? And there's a color application or plugin or whatever. Not a plugin, but it's just part of it. Lumetri Color, I think is what it's called in Premiere. Anyways. All right, so let's just get this looking how we want it to look, and probably should have done that first before copying these other ones, but that's okay. All right. So control. Let's get our font. Our font is graphic, right? Yep, that's our font. Should we have it bold? Let's bold it. We need to get our right yellow color. I think we want it slightly. Oh geez, I don't know what our hue is. We're gonna have to get our hex color. Should we do a different color? I don't know. But the background, we definitely want it black, but make the opacity 100. And is the black background and yellow text a little bit too, not cliche, but is it a little too overdone? Bring the height up a little bit. Bring the width. Okay. And then if we look at the positioning, and there we go. Yeah, and then we're going to have to put leave some room for the Mac version as well. This is where it's much easier to just even like design this thing in Figma or whatever, so you can get the look and feel of what you want, and then put this in DaVinci Resolve, which is kind of I'm feeling like it's probably kind of what I should do. Because designing in here is like not like very easy. But if you know what you want and you just build it, then that's definitely much easier. So maybe that's definitely something to think about here as we move forward and we learn and all that stuff. Okay. All right, something like that. Whoop. Okay. And then Control E. Oh, not the height. Oh, shoot. What's the redo button? I don't even know what the redo button is. I should probably learn that. There we go. There we go. You do not need a TV with your 4 million by 4 million pixel screen. Yeah, that's true. Touche. I hope they do not actually put YouTubers on the AGT show, and I hope I misunderstood that. Make the keys pink. Branding. Okay. What did I have? So yeah, this was like a purple color. But is it going to be more visible? Let's see. Or should we do? Or should the background be purple and then, like the keys purple? I think that's what you're saying, right? The keys. Yeah, the keys. So, let's see. Let's hang on a second. No, I want to be able to draw my own rectangle. Draw that. Oh, can I paste this in here? I don't know if it's going to let me paste. It's not. So, hang on. Actually, let's just go into here. The only problem I have with that is I don't, just give me a new canvas here, is I don't know, I feel like the contrast is not good. Like this white on purple or whatever this color is, I feel like the contrast is not, it's not adequate, but let's see. Okay. Background. Did I not copy that? Oh shit, what did I just do? There it is. How's that for legibility, guys? Do you guys see that clearly? Now that I'm looking at this, I feel like this will be better. Like well, is it going to be better? Because I think I actually like the effect of typing it in when I'm talking, but And then we have our second one. Why is that disappearing? Oh, I know why. It's probably because of the settings right over here with this positioning. And then Command E, right? Yeah, I really should have thought through the design here, guys. I think this is going to take a little bit longer than anticipated, but that's just because this is the first one. Once we get it and nail it down, we could add these as actual titles, just like these ones that are already pre-created, and then we'll be able to generate them super easy. But it's just thinking about what this should look like here at the start. And then I guess we should probably say something like that it's Windows, right? So another text up here. I'll just say Windows. Where's our font? Graphic, GGG. There it is. Leo, you got to go. All right. Thanks for joining. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate the laughs. And yeah, we'll see you next time, man. Okay. What do we do with this one? You guys are going?
It's hot in here.
Yeah, that's
It's hot.
it's just this big
No.
hot heat in this. Well, the doors gets
All
closed.
the sexiness.
All right. Calm down.
Anyway, so we're ending out. So have fun.
Why are you looking at me with that tone? Is there something?
No, it's just be easy on him. He's worried. So anyway.
Well, hey, listen. There's only one person who can control that. But hey, all right. Well, have fun. See you at. All right. Have a good drive. From what? You want me to go? You want me to go?
No. Just really tired. I'm just like really like sleepy tired.
Well, yeah. Well, that's you're not gonna fall asleep at the wheel then, eh? Okay, that's good. All right. Well, we'll see you. Love you. Bye. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Right. Where am I? Where am I positioning? Yeah, we need to position it from here. Something like this. That's like impossible to see. So let's change our color and our background. What should the background color be here for this? Do we make it like a Windows kind of color? I feel like it should be pretty small, a little smaller. If I'm doing this, oh shoot, that's why I need to do this here. Okay, yeah, sorry, I'm just picking kind of almost random colors here just to kind of see how this is going to play out and if I'm going to like what this is, like the direction that this is going in. Yeah, I really should have done this in Figma first. I didn't even think that I should do something like that. I don't know, something like Windows, Mac, and then maybe have a slash or something like that. I'm not sure. I feel like you should have made this video. That's exactly what I was saying. Sorry, I didn't see the comment. I should put my comments up here so I could see it when I'm editing this stuff. Yeah, I think so. Do you have any tips? Do you have anything that you think might look good for this? Although it's not too difficult. I'm sure I can come up with something because I have some ideas in my mind. But yeah, I think I like that better. Okay, so all right, let's recap. Where are we now in this video? So I don't even know if we need to have an intro. We might want to have something for an outro that just shows maybe like for more tips and tricks, like subscribe or visit us at pixel.ca or whatever. So we'll put in a little bit of an after. Let's put that in now. So let's have an end title. But that's pretty much, that's pretty much it. Maybe get some, do we need music? Should we have some music playing underneath that's really, really low? I don't know. No, that's what I'm saying. Like I think I should have made just like the design, just design what I want, the Control E, Control Command E, what that to look like. I should have made that in Figma. So that way I could just design it there because it's so much easier to design it there than it is to try to design it in DaVinci Resolve. Because it's just like, I don't know what I'm doing. Well, I don't know what I want. And it just takes that much more effort to move things into position and to add borders and all that kind of stuff. It's not the best tool for that, right? So if I know what I want to do, then I can make it easy in Resolve. But when you're just experimenting with design, do it in Figma because that's what it's for, right? So I didn't even think about that. I didn't even think about this being an issue. I think because what I was thinking was that we're going to use the captioning effect here in Resolve, which is super slick. If you haven't seen this before, this is going to be awesome because you hit like one button and it creates captions for you like on the fly. And it even it's super slick. So you don't have to do anything. It's all like through AI or whatever. So, and it's actually like surprisingly like almost 100% accurate in depict, as long as I guess they're speaking really good English. And then you could update the look and feel of those captions as well, all from one place. So it's really, really slick. So that's going to be cool. It's like CapCut, probably. I've never heard of that before. But I do remember I was like, oh, shoot, I need to do captions. And I was like, how do I do this? And I was like, I edited my whole video. Then I'm like, all right, I have to do captions. I'm like, I was thinking in my mind, worst case scenario is I'm going to have to figure out how to do this manually, which is like super annoying. But it's built in to DaVinci Resolve, starting with just this latest version, 19, from what I heard. But CapCut is probably kind of the same thing, right? Where you probably... Actually, I don't even know what that is. I'm going to look it up. I'm kind of... CapCut. Oh, it's an app thing. Yeah, no wonder I'd never heard of it. Yeah, so that's probably why, because it probably sucks. But no, sorry. Okay, enough with the Mac stuff. Okay. Have you seen this guy? Here's one YouTuber that I've seen every once in a while, and his name is, or I think his channel is like Sam Time or something like that. But I think his name is Sam Tucker. I don't know if that's his actual real name, but he does like, he mocks Apple, he mocks Windows, he mocks Linux, he mocks iOS, he mocks Android. It's just really funny, and I love his sense of humor. So I don't know if you've seen any of his videos. They're pretty funny. But it's an easy to use editor tool. Most of them make shorts and TikToks. Yeah, I was always wondering what software people use to make that kind of stuff that do have the captions that kind of show up automatically. Yeah, and using that software is probably just makes things super easy, which is really nice. So what is he like for? I think he's an Apple guy though, because he has all the Apple kind of products. But I think he's just, it's kind of, I don't know him very well, like this channel very well. I just see some of his stuff too. And this is why Apple's good. This is why Linux is good. And he does like a mock Apple. It's like, here's what we have. But I think there was one video that I first popped up not too long ago, actually. It was like how we do our like Apple pricing. It's like, just charge $200 for it. Or just like an extra $200 for everything. I don't know. It's just pretty funny. But I think he's an Apple guy. Anyways. Right. Anyways, yeah, we'll go over that. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, was that I would use the closed captionings and it would just bring up the text anyways. Then I wouldn't have to actually do this stuff because it would just come in through the closed captions, right? Control E or Command E or whatever, which I actually don't say, so we'll have to figure that out. Yeah, but we're not doing it for this one, so we're doing it no captions. So I have to figure this out. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do, because my daughter's gone to circus now, so now I'm here with my son. So we got some stuff to do with my son. So unfortunately, it's going to have to be part 2. So we're going to have to finish this tomorrow. But what I'll do is I'll do the design in Figma tonight or tomorrow morning, whatever. Have it all laid out, and then we'll jump right back in, and we'll be able to finish this one, and then we should be able to go and finish the vertical one as well too, and then we'll have our 2 videos done. So we're extending this into 2 parts. So it's not one day, but we'll finish tomorrow. So I'm sorry I'm not going to be done today, but just didn't have enough time, and I wasn't thinking about how long this would actually take. So, no one's ever done that before, right? Of underestimated or overestimated. Was it overestimating their skills or underestimating how long it's going to take? Yeah, all good, man. Thank you for not yelling at me too much. It's all caps of I need it done today. All right, so we'll leave it at that for today. All right, guys. So Brent, thank you for joining. Leo, Sam, Kevin, thank you guys so much for your support. As I've always said, super appreciative. Thank you so much. And so we will have a great rest of your evening. I will. Thank you very much. And same to you. I hope your risotto was good. Right. And as always, I'll be back here again tomorrow for a brand new stream. We're going to finish this tomorrow. I promise. with an asterisk. Hope maybe 3 days, but no, we should be done by tomorrow. All right, guys, have a great rest of your evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.